Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and taking care of yourself. Today's video is a bit different. It's not our regular video where we talk about DevOps tools or anything related to the certifications or anything related to the cloud technology. This is a bit different. If you are one of me who is working into an IT field as an SRE or working as a DevOps engineer or working as a software developer or infrastructure support engineer, having just a LinkedIn account does not help you to grow your network or looking out for any good opportunity in the job market. Apart from LinkedIn account, having a GitHub account adds a value where basically you can highlight your skills or what kind of projects you are working on, or have running a YouTube channel where you want to share with the community the code or any other stuff, right? But having just a regular GitHub account is not enough. Having an impressive GitHub account is an adding value to your profile, where you can basically talk about what kind of skills you're having, what kind of technology you're passionate about, what kind of projects you are working. And this is what is today's video. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make an impressive GitHub profile where it will help you to market your skills, or if you're looking for a desired job in a job market, it will definitely help you to get that job or land into that job. So without any delay, let's get started. So friends, when you log into GitHub account, this is how your dashboard looks. Now let's make this dashboard little impressive. So how can you do that? Let me start step by step. So you need to click on the plus sign which is on your right hand corner, and you need to click on new repository. As soon as you click on new repository, you get this page, and make sure that you need to type the new repository name same as what is your username you're using for the GitHub profile, which you can see it when you log in to a GitHub account. And in my case, I have my username as DevOps Cloud Talks. So let's type this repository name and see the magic. Talks. So the moment I have typed the repository name, which is similar to my username, you can see we get a special repository called as readme.md. MD means markdown language, and which is used by this readme stuff. If you want to write any description, you can write and DevOps cloud profile, or let's talking about DevOps cloud and certification, and YouTuber talking about this. Let's add one more, a passionate YouTuber. Okay, come on. Okay, so once you have written a description, make sure you select public because you want to make your profile available to the public. And one important thing, do not forget to click or check this add readme file. As soon as you click that, create repository button becomes visible to you. And now the next step is create repository button by clicking it. The moment you click that, you see a window getting open where it says readme.md and it has hi there. So let's move to our dashboard and see how it looks. Do you see some magic? Here says DevOps Cloud Talk slash readme.md, which I was talking few minutes back, which is a markdown stuff. So now let's make our this dashboard or a profile impressive. And for that, you do not need to know how to write a markdown language. I have a solution for that. If you don't know, you need to basically go to a site called, which you're seeing on your screen. This, do not worry, you do not need to remember the website name. I'm going to put this in my video description and it will help you to create your readme file and get your profile impressive. So I've written, my name is Dinesh. I'm passionate learning new tools in, let's make it more in DevOps world and cloud world. Okay. I'm currently working on whatever project you're working on. You can write that. Let's write some dummy project here. All has dummy S3 project. I'm looking to collaborate with, if you are a YouTuber or writing a blog and you want to collaborate with the people who are working in your field in DevOps or cloud or any other technology, then you can write that, looking to collaborate with people working on DevOps project. Okay, I'm looking for a help. Say if you're looking to learn new technology or you're stuck in writing some code, you can basically type here, I'm looking for a help with Git, Terraform, Azure, AWS. Let's like, I'm currently learning what kind of courses you're learning or what kind of framework you're learning. So I'm learning Terraform, Docker, Kubernetes. Okay, ask me if you know, if you are well versed with technology which you are into. You can write that. Ask me anything related to DevOps, cloud. Okay, how can you reach to me? So in my case, I'll just write my email ID. Let's write some dummy email ID, but you need to write your valid email ID. Right here I'm just writing, all of my projects are available. If you have a GitHub repository, you can basically write that link here. I regular write an articles on, if you're writing articles on DevOps tools or cloud related technology, then you can mention that. Know about my experience. If you have a LinkedIn profile or you have a static website where you are hosting your resume, you can basically give that link. Fun fact, if you want to write something, you can definitely go ahead and write. And now, what kind of skills you're possessing or you have, you can select from here. So I know Java, I know, let's get down. I know here Java. If you know something JavaScript, you can click on that. If you know Scala, click on that. If you know PHP, write that. Golang, Python, front end. If you're aware of HTML, I'm familiar with that. So I'm clicking here HTML. Backend. So if you know Node.js, you can use that. Kafka, Nginx, I know that. Um, RabbitMQ, if you know about that. Hadoop, Spring, mobile development. I'm not into that. Any artificial or machine learning language you're learning or you know it, you can basically click on that. Databases, I know Oracle, MySQL. If you know Redis, then you can write that Hive, MariaDB, SQL Server, and data visualization. If you know anything, Kibana, Grafana, I know DevOps. So here is your Docker, Kubernetes, Bash, Jenkins, Azure. Backend has services. If you know anything, you can do that. Any framework, if you are aware about it, or if you know, then you can basically. Yeah, so there are lots of option. Testing, if you are into testing, and if you are using anything, then you can basically select that. Software development. So if you know anything, if you're familiar with it, Postman is what we basically use. Static website generator, right? I hope it should has ST, but no, I do not see anything. Game engines, automation, other Linux, Git, and if you have a Git username, you can write as I have Git username talks. If you have Twitter, you can write that. If you have LinkedIn, write that. Facebook, YouTube channel, right? So I have a YouTube channel called has DevOps Cloud underscore talks. All right. So if you have anything medium username, you can write that. Instagram, stack flow. So there are lots of options if the main thing is add-on, right? So I wanted to know how many, what is the git hub, how many people have visited my GitHub profile, so I can get the GitHub stats. I want to display my top skills as well. uh, that's one thing. If you're writing a blogs and you want your blogs to be displayed on your GitHub profile, then definitely go ahead and select this. Yes, why not? Buy me a coffee. Right? So write that, right? And now, once you have done this, all you need to do is generate this. This is how your README gets generated, and you can see the tags, right? So you do not need to basically remember anything, right? Or you should not be familiar with the markdown language. If you have some time, then go ahead and learn it, right? No issue. So all I need to do is copy this whole stuff. Okay, Control C, and let's go to our readme.md profile. Let's remove this all, copy paste here. Before that, before moving to that, I would like you that if you want a banner or kind of thing to be displayed in your profile, there you just search it or name has animator GF background DevOps. So I want this to be on my stuff. So and if you see what happened, this image is generated, right? So I'm clicking on it, hitting pasted in my stuff, and for that I need basically to image. Okay, so we have something called as an image tag. Let's get it from here, copy this and paste it here. Just replace this with this, and if you want, remove this. So now you have your background image, right? Once you're done with this, once you think everything is good, let's commit the changes. And that's what you see here. We have everything written, hey, I'm Dinesh, what kind of languages and other stuff. Let's see why this image did not got display here, right? Something, let's edit it. Something is, let me get another image. Let's get this. Something. Okay, let's see how it works. Wait. Let's right click, copy the image address, and let's go here and see how it works for us, right? I hope this should now work. Let's commit the changes, and here you see you have now an impressive profile where it says, hey, I'm Dinesh, I'm passionate about learning new tools in DevOps world, cloud world. This is what you are. I'm currently working on this project. This is the languages I know. If you want me to connect, click on this. I just need to change that name and other stuff. Let's not get that. So this is how you can create an impressive GitHub profile, which will help you not only to market yourself but also to know recruiters or people who are viewing your profile, right? If that what you are, what projects you are working on, what things are you learning, what are your key skills, and etc. I hope this was helpful. I hope this video will help you to create an impressive GitHub profile which will help you to land up your desire or a dream job in the job market. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do subscribe, like and comment, because your comments motivate me to improve my content and bring up such interesting videos for you. So until then, take care. Bye bye.